You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in French from French, also how to pronounce it in English. Now, if it doesn't have an accent on the E, in French it's pronounced as Dore, therefore in English Dore, or Dory in English. Dore in French, with an acute accent on the E, it means golden in French, and it's a French surname. Dore is the French pronunciation. In English, Dore. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.